temps de faire comme ça. Wow. Et là, il l'a pris là. Et le casque, il est parti en arrière comme ça. Wow.
On est au kilomètre 159 de la liaison.
« 9h29 et 33 secondes. Ouais, sous la moto. Hello, my name is Rui Gonçalves and here I am to show you some differences from a rally bike than a normal enduro bike. So we've got more fuel capacity with 2 fuel tanks at the front, one left and one right, and a bigger one in the rear as well. As you can see, our exhaust system, it passes under the bike, and then we've got also a navigation system with all the instruments. The tires are different than a normal enduro bike. We've got a desert model tire from Michelin, and yeah, this is just a big, like most big changes that we have from a normal bike to a rally bike.